Hi, welcome to Turtle Top. Today I want to show you the VanTerra and Terra transport products. Typically when you look at a bus, you're looking at the exterior of the vehicle. You really don't realize what's on the inside. Even on the interior, the walls, the ceiling, seats, and floor, all camouflage what the vehicle is made of. And today I want to show you what Turtle Top is made of. The first thing we do is take a Chevrolet and Ford chassis, and we receive the vehicle with a cab and just the rails out the back. We mount our floor to isolation pucks, the same way that the OEM body is mounted with isolation pucks, and that reduces vibration and noise. We want to marry our body to the cab so they're exactly the same. We install heat shields to protect the floor from the exhaust. We also use convoluted tubing with weather Packard connectors. Next area of attention is the floor. With anything you plan on building, you must have a good foundation. And no one builds a floor like Turtle Top. Starting with reverse C channel and closed cap cross members that extend wall to wall. This is encapsulated with a perimeter steel structure, making this a full perimeter frame. Notice the aisle stiffeners that support the aisle that will never allow aisle sagging from years of use. Wherever you see a weld, it will be a continuous weld, not spot welded. The seat tracks are mounted on reverse cap C channel that have been fully tested. Turtle Top is proud of its attention to detail and confirming the safety of our vehicle through testing. Walls and ceiling are built with the same care, starting out with 1-inch by 1-inch tubing that is secured by welding continuously 3 sides for the strongest bond. The ceiling has additional support with steel strapping on the VanTerra and Terra transport models to meet school bus rollover crust tests. Steel corner gussets keep windows in place and assures that window retention is secure and water leaks are kept to a minimum. You must have a floor that can hold up to the weight that the ceiling, walls, and seat create, because all the weight ends up on the outer wall, and that is where you need the strongest floor in the industry, a Turtle Top floor. Before walls, flooring, ceilings put on, we fully prime the cage. The ceiling, the walls, the flooring, floor joist, everything gets painted that we build on the cage. The exterior walls, ceilings, and floors are installed in the shelling department. The new exterior C-Tech exterior wall has superior performance, lower thermal properties, dent and crack resistant, high tensile strength, and lower coefficient of expansion. Advantech flooring, which is installed in every Turtle Top bus, is a composite material that has a 50-year warranty in the construction trade and will not delaminate. This material is brought in bigger pieces to eliminate seams that 4x8 plywood sheets come in. No flooring can match Turtle Top's floor. The one-piece roof is then installed. The roof features a reverse mounting flange that is attached using mechanical fasteners and a strong adhesive called Sikaflex. The roof is mounted directly to the frame, as all other parts are secured to the frame, creating a strong, quiet body that will last and protect for years. Even the side ground effect skirts are mounted to the frame in the same manner. The skirts feature an automotive look with air conditioning condenser louvers for proper airflow when a skirt condenser is utilized. The final stage of the shelling process consists of mounting the rear fiberglass outer wall that allows different configurations of single or double doors, windows, or a solid wall with no openings. Turtle Top then prepares the exterior body for paint by sanding, taping, and prepping the surfaces that will be painted. The paint booths are state-of-the-art for a downdraft booth that also features a 2 million BTU furnace to bake the surfaces. The air temperature is raised to 200 degrees within 90 seconds. The ambient temperature is raised on a vehicle surface to 140 degrees within 4 minutes. Bake time can last 15 to 35 minutes depending on how big the vehicles are. When actual painting is taking place, the air is changed 3 times per minute, allowing the effective downdraft properties. Turtle Top utilizes the Axo Noble water-based ecological green mixing and paint system. After the paint is applied, it starts down the interior construction stage. Closed cell foam insulation is installed that creates a solid barrier for temperature and noise control. The wiring is installed in a safe zone that will be protected from damage during the construction phase and allows for easy access if necessary. The harness is pre-engineered with GXL wiring, all color-coded and labeled with convoluted protective tubing, tied into a sophisticated computer-printed circuit board that has indicator lights to designate proper performance of the electrical system. Air conditioning systems are installed during the production cycle to assure quality installation and max performance with a wide array of different BTU capacities. Every vehicle is water tested in the rain bay for possible water intrusion. Every vehicle is weighed for proper documentation and cargo capacity. Every vehicle has every tire filled with nitrogen for better tire wear and fuel economy at no extra charge to enhance our customers' experience with their Turtle Top people mover. Nitrogen keeps tires cooler for better wear and fuel economy. The final finish department seals the deal with checks and testing that is overwatched by the Turtle Top Green Shield Quality Department. The Green Shield process starts from the beginning of production to the very last thing that we do to every Turtle Top product. This completes the perfect shuttle bus. Thank you for taking the Turtle Top tour. The VanTerra and Terra Transport was developed to be a 15-passenger alternative. The wide wheelbase gives you road stability. The roll cage gives you the safest possible vehicle for your family, church, schools, colleges, or anyone wanting to move people. If you have any questions in your purchasing decisions, contact me, Tim Bledsoe, or anyone in the sales department.